Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a bit different from other videos that I usually do. So today's video is going to be about sanitary napkins. So if you are an Indian girl like me, this is something we are grown up with. We didn't really had that concept of tampons, at least when I was young. I know we all hate that time of month because of many reasons. It's uncomfortable, it's painful, mood swings and whatnot. So I recently got my hands on Evolve Essential sanitary napkin. Evolve Essential is a brand that is tailored in India. These sanitary napkins are eco-friendly and suitable. And they are made with pure Acrobat premium cotton. This comes in two different variants. One is for medium flow and other one is in high flow. Also, each monthly pack comes with a complimentary plantable seed material. Hope you find this video helpful. These sanitary napkins are definitely a better option than our ordinary napkins. So do check them out. Links will be given in the description box. Hope you find this video helpful. I will see you in my next video. Bye.